Hi, so here's another example why it's very important to make sure all signs are visible from the roadway. As you can see, there's an important stop sign here. If you don't stop here, there are vehicles running along this road here at a high speed, and it could potentially cause an accident. And you want to make sure, as a manager, owner of a commercial property, that all these signs are visible, because if you get into a lawsuit and it's covered by shrubs, trees, and plants, you're gonna lose, and you're gonna spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on litigation and paying off because you did not spend the extra care and time to expose all these signs. So it's really important that you get that done and make sure you have a properly maintained commercial landscape. If you're interested in our services, you can call us at 805-453-9551. You can text us at that number as well, or email us at info@sbevolutionlandscape.com, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we'll be more than happy to help you.